Hi everybody, it's NAVIFORCE here. Today an unboxing review of our NAVIFORCE men's Quartz watch is prepared for you guys. The model number is the NF9200S. Okay, now let me start. As you can see, here is the black box, and the black box is very textured. And now let me read it off. Here is the guarantee card, and the warranty period is for 1 year. And here is the instruction manual. You can use it to adjust your new watch. And here is the our watch that we will unbox today. That is the NF9200S, and it is a calendar watch that using Japanese quartz movement. And the NF9200S is a calendar watch that using Japanese quartz movement. First, let's have a look at the back side. From the back side, you can know the model number of this watch and the material of the back, and the waterproof for 3 ATM. Our watch uses the hardened mirror glass, so it is scratch resistant and very durable to use. And the case diameter of this model is 41.6 millimeter, and the thickness is 12.5 millimeter. It is quite suitable for small wrist people, and the case is zinc alloy material, and the strap is stainless steel material. The total length of this watch is 240 millimeter, and you can notice that the strap is 3-link design, and it has very nice quality. And this watch uses folding buckle, and using folding buckle with safety, and it is very easy to wear and convenient. And here on the center link, it is the brushed finish, and on the buckle here it is also. Here the most important part is the dial and the bezel design. On the bezel, 8 inner hexagonal screws are put on the 12-sided brush bezel, which shows a great sense of strength. Here you can see the chamfering design of the bezel. It is a 12-sided chamfering, and the lines from inside to outside are quite neat. To add a touch of avant-garde style, this watch adopts capsule-shaped wheel stud and the close that pairs together the pattern on the dial. You can pay attention to the dial design. Here the capsule shaped word start, and the center, the pattern is the cross-step Paris. Also, you can see that the case continues the chamfering design. Here, while interpreting the unique high-end taste. The whole design of this watch is very cool. Finally, let me introduce you all colors of this model. There are a total of 6 colors here. This one is the silver black. The color matching is very high-end style and very nice. And this one is the silver blue. And this one is the silver green. And this one is the silver white. And this one is the silver rose gold. And the last one is the solid gold. The color matching of this model of all colors are very nice. Okay, that's all unboxing content of the NF9200S today. Please thumb up and subscribe here, as well as follow us on the Instagram if you guys love us and want to see more. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.